And I call that acoustic fill also. So work will be done simultaneously. Chikalim will become a very good hall. अच्छे काम हो गया सर आज के दिन में.
जेन्ना हांव सरपंच जाला पळय म्हाजो मेन हेतू आसलो की मेक चिकालीम पंचायत मोर ग्रीनर. जे कार्बन डायऑक्साइड लेवल आहा पळय कमी करपाचो आनी ऑक्सिजन लेवल वाडोवपाचो. एंड वी हॅव अ डायनेमिक मिनिस्टर आनी MLA आमकां गावल्लो आहा हू इज कंटिन्युअसली टायरलेसली वर्किंग फॉर द कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी. सो इतलो व्हडलो जॉगर्स पार्क आमकां दिल्लो आसा. देन ऑलमोस्ट 10 करोडाचे गार्बेज ट्रिटमेंट प्लांटाचे काम चालू आसा आनी इट विल बी फायनलायज्ड विदीन 1 month. सो वी आर ब्लेस्ड टू हॅव दॅट ट्रिबल इंजिन की सरकार. फ्रॉम सेंटर वी आर गेटिंग हेल्प, फ्रॉम स्टेट वी आर गेटिंग हेल्प. आमचो मिनिस्टर आमदार. सो इट्स इन लायन एक्चुअली. दाबोलीम एंड चिकालीम एक्चुअली वी आर ब्लेस्ड चिकालीम पंचायत बिकॉज आमकां सांगपाची गरज पडना. विदाउट टेलिंग वी आर गेटिंग एवरीथिंग. सो वी विल जस्ट हॅव टू मॅनेज वॉट वी आर गेटिंग. आमकां भिरांत पडलेले हाव टू मॅनेज एक्चुअली. इतले प्रकल्प आमकां दिल्ले आहा सरान. सो वी आर जस्ट थिंकिंग अबाउट द मॅनेजमेंट. जाले उपरांत कसो मॅनेज करपाचो. तुम्ही आता पळयल्ले आसा की इतलो व्हडलो जॉगर्स पार्क सेकंड फेज ऑलमोस्ट 10 कोटी खर्च केला गव्हर्मेंटान. सो 6,500 ट्रीज बीन प्लांटेड हियर. जे कोण म्हणटालो पळय गार्बेज जॉगर्स पार्क पिड्यार केला आमचे स्ट्रक्चर येवन. तांकां सांगपाक सोदता की स्ट्रक्चर येयला इट इज फॉर गुड कॉज. जिम येयला, योगा सेंटर येयला, सिनियर सिटीजन्स पार्क लायब्ररी येयला. प्लस वी आर प्लांटिंग मोर 6,500 trees in that which were not destroyed additional. So it's a very good thing which will be coming up in next 1 month. आणि मागता की इंस्टेड ऑफ क्रिटिसायझिंग एप्रिशिएट करा थोडे तरी. आम्ही पळयल्ले आसा की आम्ही कचरो उडयता एंड देन वी ब्लेम द पंच सरपंच. बाबा हे कितें आमी कचरो घेवपाचो. कचरो कोण उडयता? आमी उडयता? आमी उडयना. लोक उडयता आनी आमचेर ब्लेम घालता. सो आनी जेन्ना आमी कितें बरें करता पळय ते ग्रुपार घालना. पण जेन्ना खंय कचरो आहा पळय तेजो फोटो घालून ग्रुपार घालता ते. बाबा आमकांय कितें बरें काम केलां ते घाला ग्रुपार आनी एप्रिशिएट करा न्हू. आमकां बरें दिसतलें इंस्टेड ऑफ क्रिटिसायझिंग. सो थिंक पॉझिटिव्ह, बी पॉझिटिव्ह आनी फिट रावा. बिकॉज फिटनेस न्हू तुमकां बरे हे दितले थॉट्स दितले एंड यू विल बी एप्रिशिएटिंग ऑल द गुड थिंग्स.
सगळ्यांक खबर आसा जॉगर्स पार्क जो आमचो आशिल्लो सगळ्यांत सुंदर पार्क आख्ख्या गोंयांत आशिल्लो. तरी आसतना आमी आनीकूय तो बरे भाशेन तेजो विस्तार केला, इम्प्रूव्ह केला. जायत्यो सवलत्यो लोकांक मेळपा खातीर सिनियर सिटीजन्सा लायब्ररी आसा, एक वॉटर लगून आसा फॉर द एस्थेटिक्स, फॉर पीपल टू सीट अराउंड, एक्झॉटिक ट्रीज. मागीर बाकीचे चिल्ड्रन्स क्रॅश भुरग्यां कोण वॉकिंगा येता भायलो ल्हान भुरगीं आहा जाल्यार तांकां थिंगा म्हणजे भुरग्यांक धरून वॉक करपाक मेळटले. इंडोर जिम, आउटडोर जिम, न्यू वॉकिंग ट्रॅक. सगळ्यांक खबर आसा आहा ती ट्रॅक सारकी उणें पडटली. आमी आतां ती डबल ट्रॅकिंग केला. सेकंड ट्रॅक आहा तो आमी लेटेस्ट मटेरियल which will not hurt the knees, rubberized material which is available in the world, we are putting there. This is all becoming a reality. एक फूड कोर्ट केल्लो आसा, एंटरटेनमेंट सेंटर केल्लो आसा. तेच बरोबर आनीकूय झाडां जी आमी आतां लायता. आय थिंक आतां एक हांवें आंब्याचें झाड लायिल्लें आसा. देर आर 1,500 such trees being planted. Small size trees are there, medium trees are there. Totally we are planting something like 6,500 trees. हे हांव मुद्दम सांगपाक सोदता. You will see greenery all around. Along with that, also I don't want to forget, हिंगा आमी एक महिला भवन करता. एक फंक्शन एरिया म्हूण where a stage will be there and people will be able to have small and big functions. These are all being added in the village panchayat of Chikalim jurisdiction. आम्ही हांगा हे मेंटेन कशें करतले. आनी एक न्यू फॅसेट येवपाचें आसा. गार्बेज ट्रीटमेंट प्लांट आमचे येता, which is already functional. Trials are going on. From August it will be fully functional. उदीक आमकां out of fecal waste, out of STP plant आमकां उदकाची पायपलायन सारकी हिंगा एक टँकीन येतले, 2 टँकीन rather, and that water will be used. So we will not be using drinking water. It is like waste to wealth. And power also will be generated. We are going to put a small turbine. So power used by Joggers Park and surrounding areas will be from the garbage, from that methane gas which is going to be generated. रोडाचेय काम आमचे थिंगा चालू आसा. Thanks to PWD Minister Nilesh Kabral, out of the way वचून काम चालू आसा ते रोडाचे. So we have a good road leading to the garbage plant. Over and above, besides seeing greenery here, हांव मुद्दम सांगपाक सोदता, we are spending a lot of money on the landscaping in the garbage treatment plant. It will not look like a garbage plant at all. Thanks to the Komdat people who have given this land, whether it is Raymond Carvalho, whether it is Mayan Salkar, whether it is Manel Dash, they have cooperated in helping us. Even this land was given when Raymond Carvalho was there. So I especially want to thank the Komdat of Chikalim. This will be a reality when you see it actually happening on in August, at the beginning of August. You will come to know what a awesome project this is. It is the lungs of Dabolim constituency. Building तुका सगळे कडेन दिसता, पण not a lung to breathe. Water everywhere, not a drop to drink. तेच तसले खबर. सगळे कडेन बिल्डिंग येयल्यो. एक विसो घेवपा मातशें तरी येना जाल्यार कितें फायदो. तेच भाशेन एक hall, to my right there is a yoga hall where we will have trained people giving yoga classes, giving space for people to come and do yoga. Recently, our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi at the United Nations, I think we have come of age as a country. Yoga has gone to the entire world thanks to our tallest leader of this nation, Shri Narendra Modi ji. And today, it is promoting health. It is promoting the well-being. A healthy mind, a healthy body is good for everyone. That is what yoga propagates. And teka lagun, योग जो आमचो आसा तो आख्खे संवसाराक फांकयल्ला. आनी तेका लागून हांव समजता आमी योगा हॉलूय थिंगा केल्ले आसा next to the water lagoon. So it's going to be a quiet, serene place where people can just sit, chill out, do yoga, walk on your modern walking track, as well as enjoy the beauty. Children will have their play area as well. We are putting all new equipment. They will be able to come and play. We have put such equipment. Senior citizens, senior people can also do exercises. Today everyone is realizing for a healthy life, health is wealth. Where health is ना जाल्यार तूं wealth आनी कसो करतलो. तूं डॉक्टरांकडेच धांवतलो, हॉस्पिटलांकूच in and out जातले. हें ना जावपा खातीर, whether it is yoga, whether it is exercise, whether it is a simple walk, we are doing it all in this constituency. I especially want to thank the GSIDC for giving me this project and our Honorable Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant for allowing me to carry on this work. And there will be another important foundation stone laid where Flintstone was there, the main circle. So that work also will start once the foundation stone is laid. We just discussed the plan, and I must specially thank our architect Mangesh Prabhugaonkar, who has been instrumental in designing this park exactly how I wanted it. He has done better a job than what I told him. Even about our new project in the other place, he has designed something awesome. So people will be happy. And these are not something which is only for Dabolim specific. People from Murmungaon come here, entire Murmungaon. Entire Navy people come here. That means from all over India, people are enjoying this park. And similarly, I have people coming from Margaon, from Mapsa all the way, from Panjim to enjoy this park. So I think come August, you'll see a lot of people descending on this park. So I am very grateful to them for their contribution.